Alright, round 2 on the Ranger. Just a small progress report. Now when we did the initial diagnosis to determine that the head gasket was blown, we got a little tester and used the coolant level. It's called a TK tester, and it measures whether or not there are exhaust gases within the coolant. And so yeah, you just dip the water and see what color the chemicals change, and if they change to a dark green, you've got exhaust gases, and that's what happened. But we never dug into it because, well, we didn't need to. We were waiting on a response from the owner whether he wanted to go ahead with this big job. So whilst pulling everything apart, I have found our culprit. This is one of the heater hoses, and it's, yeah, blown out at some point while he was driving. So this is what would have caused his overheating in the first place. This one's fine, but we're just going to replace both because they're both the same age, so might as well do it once instead of twice. And I'm in the process of removing all the wiring and everything. I did get that last injector out finally, so we can pull this soundproofing off as well. Alright, now I just wanted to showcase some beautiful engineering by Ford. So this is their intake manifold. This is where the air goes in. And I've got to undo all of these bolts, top and in those grooves there on the bottom, all across the top and bottom, and my final piece is behind this module here. Can't really see it with the light, sort of. Anyway, I'm sure you trust me that it's in there. So in order to get there, I need to use this uni joint and the 10mm socket and just sort of fish it in there and keep wiggling until I feel it catch. And okay, so we've caught it. Great, so now I'll just get the ratchet on there and undo it. And hopefully, I can't remember, I've done this once before about a year ago. I can't remember. Hopefully what I can do is grab the manifold and just twist it up and pull it out like that around this. If not, then I'll have to remove all four of those bolts as well and dismantle that, just so I can get this out, because they couldn't put it, there. Anyway, back at it, and more progress shots as we go.